$42,500 for this show-like home in Chestermere, Alberta. That is right, front double attached property, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 washrooms, over 2,000 square feet, and the backyard one to dream of. Come over here. This property also has a side entrance. This is perfect for first-time home buyers. So that is the side entrance for your next dream home. Now let's go inside. The type of upgrades and features inside the property, again, to dream of. So we'll go inside and Nirware will get the tour ready.
Welcome inside with a beautiful foyer here, and you get double door show closet, and then we have our half washroom here. So again, this house is fully upgraded like a builder show home, and you will see the beautiful kitchen when we move. This is amazing. Well, from the main entrance we enter through this open concept living room, kitchen and dining space. You will be amazed. See the long countertop, and even the space is well utilized with the cabinets on the countertop, and kitchen is a specialty of this house. You see the built-in appliances, stainless steel and chimney hood with electric cooktop, a long countertop with the lights, and you see sitting area also on the countertop. Again, this house is fully upgraded than a builder as well. Further, you have cabinets up to ceiling height and lots of drawers for pots and pans. Moving from the kitchen, you open into the dining space. Again, a beautiful dining space with big window and sliding door at the back, and you have big living room with the gas fireplace, and again open concept living room. The main thing of this house is actually the backyard. Let's take you to the backyard. This is a perfect entertainment area where you have a barbecue line and barbecue space, plus a big deck with the sunden here, and then you see the backyard, which is fully landscaped, professionally developed, fully fenced, and you have lots of sitting space, lots of enjoyment space to do, and gardening at the back, and you can have enjoyment family time at the back. So see the amount of space you have in the back. Telling you, this house is very close to Chestermere Lake, just walking distance, and just in 5 minutes you'll be at the Chestermere Lake and the walking pathway. Don't to forget, on this floor you also get a big mudroom with a space for coats and shoes, and you have a closet as well. Plus you also get actually a side entrance that's perfect for first time home buyers. You get a side entrance. In the basement you also have 2 windows. You can easily make 1 or 2 bedroom basement suite. Plus you have a storage space here for closet and a double car garage attached to the house. So let's take you to the second floor.
All right, now we're on to the second floor of this house. Again, fully upgraded like you've seen the rest of the house. Over here we have the bonus area for you and your family to enjoy. Now let's head on to the master bedroom. Here is the master bedroom, a huge amount of space, fully upgraded, and we have the 2 windows that bring ample amount of light into your master bedroom. And right over here we have a 5-piece ensuite washroom with the double sink, with the soaker tub, with the toilet. Everything has been fully cared for and fully upgraded into this washroom, and ample amount of light coming into this washroom as well. 2 windows both on the corner, standing shower, and then in the same washroom we have a full-in walk-in closet. Now moving from that master bedroom, on my left hand side you have a fully upgraded Samsung washer and dryer. So that is the washer and dryer space. Over here again, fully upgraded second or common washroom. Usually in most of the houses you will still see them as a single sink. Again, in the common washroom we see double sink, and we have a tub over there. And finally, wrapping around the tour, we have the 2 final bedrooms with the vaulted ceilings. This is the second bedroom of the house, fully taken care of we have the upgraded double pane windows. And moving on to the third bedroom, again, very well cared for on this property in Chestermere, Alberta. Now, to wrap up this video, I know you guys love to talk about numbers, so let's talk about the financials for this home. This property is listed at $675,000, a 5% down payment, so a minimum down payment on this property, so 5% for the first $500,000 and 10% for the rest of the price would equate to $42,500. And based on the current interest rate scenarios, approximately your monthly mortgage payment would come out to $3,500. A good idea to subset your mortgage would be to develop the basement since it has a side entrance. If you develop the basement, you could do a 1-bedroom plus den, and that could rent out approximately for $1,500. So all in all, your mortgage would be for $2,000 each and every month. One way to lower your monthly payments as well as increase the value of the property since you added a suite in the basement. Now, if you want more information, make sure to call these two numbers, 587-284-6367 or 587-284-9422, and we'll make it happen.